What is up, fellas? We're out here smoking meats on a wonderful Saturday. Leonard Skinner concert is on the horizon. The smoker has been started up. We're waiting for that beautiful puff of white smoke to come billowing out of the chimney so that we can fire this bad boy up and get that fucking pork loin going. All right, boys. Here we are, pork loin. Let's go, boys. Get it open. It's gonna be good. Look at all that fat right there. Sheesh. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try and dry this off as much as we can. Get all that liquid out. That'll give us a good crust. We want to replace that liquid with oil, you know? Because when you have this much girth, there's a lot of liquid inside there. So that's the way it goes, man. You gotta get as much of it out as you can, with no pressure. You don't have time to rub some. So we're gonna use that oil, that olive oil. To give you that nice crust. Because in crust we trust. Get both sides. There's no real technique with the olive oil. Except you just stroke, really. So that's all you gotta do. It's easy. You're born with it, really. If you've made it this far in life and you don't know how to stroke, I don't know what you're doing. This is when we pull out the rub. We've been stroking, now we're rubbing salt lick, garlic. You already know. Shout out to Brad for putting me onto that. Brad, you already know. Brad Flux. So, you get heavy helping. That's what we like to see. Get it all over there. All over there. Here's the deal though, people forget, right? It's in the name, dry rub. Don't rub it. Why would you rub your meat? You pat it. People forget that. The name is misleading. You gotta pat it, you bind it, and you pat it. That's the way it goes. Look at that fucking piece of meat. Sides, can't forget the sides. You gotta give everywhere love. And then with the salt bay, good measure. And our meat is ready to get thrown on. So we got our smoker out here set to 250. Right now it's running a little hot, 257, because we're hot boys. It's a hot boy summer. What the fuck are you gonna do about it? Go fuck yourself. Anyway, are we not allowed to curse?
I don't know. I think we are.
Now.
I think we are.
We are now. So look at this bad boy. Season's been fucking marinating up in that bitch. Yeah, you're sexy, bro. Sheesh. Hey, look at this meat, dude. Look at this fucking meat, dude. Tenderloin. Oh, this guy knows. This guy fucking. Yeah, 45 to an hour. This guy knows. So, like he said, like this guy said, about 45 minutes on 250. Sometimes it takes a little longer. This is an absolute fucking chode right here, as you can see. So this might need like a good hour or so. Really, we want to hit that internal temperature, like 135, 140 before we pull it. You know, keep cooking a little bit to that 145. That's what we want for that tenderloin. You know what I'm saying? All right, the grill is cleaned and greased. Now, the dirty happens. Oh! We'll be back. All right, the pork loin is already on. We got that shit rolling right now. So we're gonna go change gears a little bit, get vegan up in this bitch, like we live in fucking Oregon or something weird like that. This is Texas though. So we're gonna do both. Obviously, we're omnivores, human beings, literally evolved from evolution to eat both. I don't know where I'm going with this. Jalapenos. Olive oil, like last time, pretend it's meat, you know? Get it nice and oiled. Because how else is the seasoning gonna stick? It simply wouldn't, if not for the grace of olive oil. So This is all we're doing for the jalapeno. Super easy. Tahini, gotta love it. Good stuff. Good. Just cover it. It can't have too much tahini. Good stuff. Good stuff. And then that same salt lick barbecue rub. Once again, shout out Brad. Brad fucks. Brad absolutely fucks like nobody's business. So you can't go wrong with either of these seasonings. That beautiful orange color, you get it from both of them. That's the color, good barbecue. So just letting you know. You know, if it's orange, that's what's up. So we're gonna throw these on for like pretty much, I don't know, 5 minutes less than the pork takes. You can't go wrong with jalapenos. You can't overcook them, you can't undercook them. They're done when they're done, you know? And they're gonna be real good when they're done. All right, folks, it's been 15 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and check on this pork loin real quick. Throw on these beautifully seasoned jalapenos. Let's see what we're working with here. Cool, so hasn't done a whole lot yet. It's been 15 minutes. Come on, what do you expect? It's not magic. It's a smoker. This ain't some kind of microwave with wood in it. You gotta be patient. So we'll throw these bad boys on. Throw them wherever you want, really. I don't care. Yeah. Hey, bro, do you smoke meats, dude? You smoke meats, bro?
Smoke meat?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Absolutely, dude.
No, seriously.
I fuck with that.
Yeah. That's good.
Hey, it's good, bro. It's
It's
good.
better to have a relationship with Jesus Christ.
Hey, you have a relationship with Jesus Christ? I have a relationship with the pork loin in the smoker right now. And it's gonna make me salivate. Godspeed, bro.
God bless you and your family.
God bless. Hey, I love your family too, bro.
Honestly, who is your God?
Who is my God?
Who do you pray?
Odin and Thor. I'm trying to go to Valhalla. Huh?
God bless you guys.
God bless you.
Hey, enjoy your evening now, okay?
And enjoy your afternoon/evening.
Okay, my name is Carlos, by the way.
Carlos. Carlos, I like you, man. Carlos. Mexicano? Woo! Chihuahua? Ay, Chihuahua! What the fuck am I doing, dude? Holy shit. Right, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna glaze it, because why wouldn't we? Obviously, it's gonna taste delicious. So, a little Sweet Baby Ray's smoking these meats.
Sweet Baby Ray's.
A little bit of olive oil just to thin it out a little bit. Helps with the crust, helps with just general greasiness, because that shit's delicious. Honestly, why not? What are you gonna do? Can't do anything about that. It's for the boys. We're day drinking. It's a beautiful Saturday to have a beautiful Saturday. We're about to be at Leonard Skinner, right? Leonard Skinner concert. Sauce boss. Boss of the sauce. Backwards. I don't even know what it's called. Let's go glaze this. All right, fellas. Boss of the sauce here. This is what we're working with sauce-wise. So it's Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce. Sweet Baby Ray's, can't go wrong. Smoking these meats. Shout out to Mark Zuckerberg. Total weirdo, probably a lizard. But he founded Facebook, he's rich as fuck, so it's pretty cool. Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue, some olive oil, just to get a little bit more crust to thin it up a little bit. Put in some Miller Lite, because we are day drinking, as you do when you're smoking meats. So, let's open this bad boy up. Let's baste. Baste for the glaze. That's how you get the babes. Boss of the sauce, don't you forget that. Can't really go wrong here. Just get a good, even coat. Doesn't really even have to be that even, because really, smoking meats, it's a forgiving sport. You can't fuck it up, especially not when you're the boss of the sauce. If I had merchandise, I'd be plugging it right now, but I don't. I bought this. You can't buy it from me. Soon you'll be able to, because I'm gonna be famous for this. Let's watch. So we're gonna get that nice even coat, right? We get the top, we get the sides. Oh yeah. This is what really makes or breaks your pork loin, your ribs, literally whatever. Is that glaze. And the best foundation is that Sweet Baby Ray's. Get those jalapenos too. Because why not? Yep. And we're gonna go ahead and flip. Gotta get some palms. Flip the pork loin. Flip all the jalapenos. And then we're in business. Let's just take another like 15 minutes or so and then we're good. All right, it's time to flip our gargantuan fucking pork loin. So, little known fact, you have to, before you flip your meat, you have to test out the tongs with the double click. They work. We're good. Look at this bad boy. Oh my! Oh! Oh! Oh my! Who put me in charge of this, huh? What were they thinking? They did a good job. Yeah, let's place this too, huh? Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that beauty. I ain't never seen a pork loin this big. I ain't never seen a pork loin this delicious. God, what a sight. What a sight. May as well just coat it fully. Didn't have too much. I never had too much fun. Shout out Daryl Singletary. Is that who made that song?
Yeah, yeah, Singletary.
Daryl
Boy.
Singletary. That guy fucks.
Yes, sir.
Certified. I warned you twice. Now I'm writing you up. Yup. Gotta get the backside. That's really the most elusive out of all the sides. The backside of that pork loin. Gotta make sure to get every square inch of that bad boy. Oh, I almost burned myself, but I didn't because I'm a seasoned professional. And I know exactly what I'm doing. Yep. These fucking jalapenos are going to be delicious. Right, we're ready to go. Pour one out for the dead homies. Oh, make you do that. So what we use as a measure of doneness for this pork loin, temperature, right? Time doesn't matter that much. It's a rough estimate, right? Because you can have all manner of sizes of pork loins. Little baby pork loins, fat Mendingo pork loins, Magnum pork loins like we got right here. So really we're worried about temperature. You want to pull it as it hits about 140, not too much above that. So we're pretty much perfect right here, right about at 140. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this right now. And it's some goodies. Holy shit. Holy fuck, boys. Okay. This is gonna be a feast. And I could not be more excited. Look at these jalapenos too. Falling apart. Nice and juicy. They took about as long as the pork loin. Not quite as long, but pretty good time on both. This right here, this is a fucking party platter. Sheesh. If this doesn't get me ready for Leonard Skinner, I don't know what will. All right, so we want to let this pork loin, this absolute gargantuan unit of a pork loin, rest for like 5 to 10 minutes or so. Those juices settle, let it cool down, do its thing. I don't know how resting works. The meat does what the meat does. But the jalapenos don't need to rest, so let's cut these bad boys open right now. They look fucking sexual. Let's get after it. Holy shit. Little taste test?
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. Yup.
Good flavor.
Good fucking
Juicy,
flavor right there.
spicy, key to success. Hell yeah.
We'll be right back with the pork loin. Alright fellas, those jalapenos were spicy as fuck. Would not advise eating as much as I did before the meat cutting began. So this absolute massive fucking piece of pork is not gonna fit on the cutting board. Sometimes my pork just doesn't fit because it's so big. It happens, I've been there before. So I'm gonna cut it in half before I throw it on the cutting board. This is a veteran move that I just thought of right now. Look at that. Perfect. Like I know what I'm doing. How's that look? What a fucking cross section. You see that smoke ring? Fucking gorgeous. God damn. Pitmaster right here. Let's put this fucker over. Holy shit, boys. This is way too much food for 3 people. Holy shit. Oh, I'm burning my fingers, but it's all worth it. Oh my, look at that juice. Oh, see, this is why you let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Because if we in, the juice would all just be flowing out. Instead, it's up in that bitch, literally inside the meat. The juice is marinated. The meat is marinated with juice. Fuck. This is gonna take a long time to cut this whole thing. I think we just
Let's
taste
get we'll
test
taste
right
test.
now.
We'll taste test.
Oh my god. All right, bud. Cheers. Holy shit.
I love that meat in my mouth.
Better than sex.
So juicy.
Holy fucking
So much
shit,
flavor.
boys. So much flavor. I love the way it sounds.
This makes me want to come out.
Holy fuck, boys. Oh, juicy. Sheesh. Sheesh. That's all for today, folks. Like, comment, subscribe.
This one's spicy. Oh, it's just smacking in my mouth.
Oh.
Mmm.